Welcome to what's new in order management, interface order management to subscription management enhancements. In this presentation, we will discuss the following two subscription management enhancement features for order management. Create integrated coverage lines in order management, and cover assets and renew coverages and subscriptions in order management. Let's look at the first new subscription management enhancement within order management, create integrated coverage lines in order management. With this enhancement to the Integrate Order Management with Subscription Management feature, you can now create integrated subscription coverage lines within the order management user interface. This screenshot describes where you can now enter the integrated coverage line for create and end subscription flows via the order management user interface. Within the interface, you can now also negotiate the pricing of the coverage line with manual price adjustments that cover either all or the contract or for certain periods. For example, you may want to give the customer a 10% discount for the first 3 months of the 1-year contract. In addition, you can use pricing terms to adjust the pricing by an amount, percentage, or repricing after a set date. Our second subscription management is cover assets and renew coverage and subscriptions in order management. With this enhancement to integrate order management with subscription management feature, you can now have coverages on existing assets. To use, the asset must already exist within Fusion Asset Management, and you can then choose that through the UI or send it as part of your REST API inbound payload. As a note, you can only refer to one asset per order line. However, this asset can be a child asset or a parent asset. Additionally, you can now process renewals through the order management REST integration. When the subscription is up for renewal and processed through your sales and quoting system, it can be sent to order management with other orders to then pass through to subscription management. The renewal may also include new products to be associated with the subscription. These features benefit your business by providing a full subscription and coverage lifecycle solution. With one entry point, you have an overall reduced solution footprint and reduced cost. And with a one-stop shop, it is faster to enter orders with product and service lines and let orchestration send them to the fulfillment systems and get the latest status of that fulfillment all in one place. To take advantage of these new enhancements, use the opt-in UI to enable the features. For instructions, refer to the optional uptake section within the 24A new features document under the offering Supply Chain Management. To summarize, we have covered the following two new order management features for interfacing order management to subscription management. Create integrated coverage lines in order management, and cover assets and renewal coverages and subscriptions in order management. Thanks for watching. Welcome to what's new in Pricing Cloud 24A for Order Management Cloud. In this presentation, we will discuss the following two pricing cloud enhancement features for order management. Use the pricing administration work area to price usage charges according to attribute values, and update a large number of cost lists. Our first new pricing cloud enhancement is use the pricing administration work area to price usage charges according to attribute values. With this enhancement to the pricing administration work area, you can define base prices for usage charge on a rate place based on different attributes. It also supports a new calculation method for pricing matrices. This screenshot describes where you can now enter the integrated coverage line for create and end subscription flows via the order management user interface. Starting with the previous release, you could create and update rate plans for subscriptions directly through the pricing administration UI. These charges were simple amount-based fixed value through the user interface. With this update, we have now enhanced the capabilities in the UI so that you can set up a rules base on the attributes to drive the pricing of usage charges. These rules can be based on your customer's attributes, the subscription's attributes, or the sales order's attributes, and is often referred to as rate table or rate card. When you select the pricing matrix as the calculation method, you can select the attributes you want to specify for the columns and then manage the rules for base price. Depicted in this example, the destination country and load type, such as whether the usage is for peak or off-peak periods, will determine the base price. This feature benefits your business by improving the user experience by using a wide range of attributes from more than one source to determine the base price of usage charges on your rate plans. You can use these attributes when the base price can't be determined solely by the usage quantity. To use this new enhancement, use the opt-in UI to enable the feature. For instructions, refer to the optional uptake section within the 24A new features document under the offering Supply Chain Management. Our second pricing cloud new feature is update a large number of cost lists. With this enhancement, you can use file-based data import to update a large number of cost lists. This function supports updating headers for your cost list, access sets, items on cost list, and charges. With this feature, you can use a single action to indate charges on cost list items and then create new charges. You can also view and fix validation errors that happen during import. Additionally, delete cost list headers, access sets, items, and charges from interface tables after the scheduled process is done running. This screenshot depicts the new template for cost list headers example, including the most important columns. These features benefit your business by efficiently updating a large number of cost lists, including items and charges on cost list. It also reduces the amount of time that it takes the import cost list schedule process to finish running. You don't need to do anything to enable this feature. It's delivered as ready to use within the application. To summarize, we have covered the following two new pricing cloud features in order management.